The Ninja FrostVault 30-quart wheeled cooler stands out for combining strong ice retention with a dedicated dry compartment that keeps food at refrigerator-like temperatures without getting soggy. Its insulated body and thick walls are built to hold ice for multiple days, which makes it reliable for longer camping trips or weekends off-grid. The capacity is generous enough to handle a full day or more for a small group, easily accommodating several dozen cans plus ice while still leaving space for snacks. A separate sealed dry drawer lets you stash sandwiches, produce, or delicate items away from melting ice, so you do not need extra food containers or bags. Large rugged wheels and a sturdy telescoping handle make it surprisingly easy to tow across sand, gravel, or grass, even when the cooler is fully packed. Overall construction feels solid and purpose-built. With reinforced latches and hinges that give confidence, this cooler can handle frequent travel to beaches, campsites, and tailgates.